took a shit. I just took a shit. Hey! Hey! Stop eating, bro. You don't share? You don't bring enough for the rest of the class? Oh, fuck. I don't like when it does that. Damn, that thing's so beautiful, honey.
Is it a fish?
Yeah, I think it's a
It
fish.
looks like a fish. Oh my
Oh,
god.
That's one big ass bird. Hey! Let me get that. Damn, it's getting some good eating right there.
We've been here for 20 minutes, guys. This is crazy. I don't know why my husband stopped here.
You just have to